asked grandfather what role did he play in helping Mr. McCollum build this fine institution. And he said, well, back in the 20s and 30s, very few banks would loan to a man of color. So he said, I had faith that Mr. McCollum would pay back what I lent him, and the sum I heard was somewhere in the neighborhood of $5,000. In the late 20s, early 30s, my grandfather lent Mr. McCollum to help him build this building, and we have what I believe is the final payment, a $500 payment made by Mr. McCollum to my grandfather, Guy M. Strayhorn, to finish paying McCollum Hall off. And I should have told you that the McCollums have always stayed close to my family, and it was the Mrs. McCollum and Junior came to me several years ago, and we put together the purchase from the McCollum family of the city. So at that time, we started the preservation, meaning we took it out of private hands and put it into public hands. One of the first grants we received, I think Senator Benequisto, our state senator, received a $500,000 grant that helped do the initial preservation. I'd like to see what the community wants, because we've heard retail, we've heard office space, but this is the Dunbar community. And if they want this to be a community gathering space, a place for dance, a place to meet, wonderful. It might serve its way to do more than that, because I understand the city and the CRA have under contract substantial land to the east of here, which would provide either for another building, for adequate parking, to be able to make something more than just this small little rectangle that we're standing in. So I think really a monument to those that founded the Dunbar community, that lived in the Dunbar community, and lived and died in the Dunbar community. And whether it's a councilwoman like Shoemaker or Dr. Knight, the ones that really represented this community and brought it to where it is today as a vibrant community, different than before the road was four-laned. And to some degree, it's sad to see the loss of all the businesses, but it's good to see we were able to preserve McCollum Hall.